Let us move to the most important aspect of the testing, that is data transformation testing. Transformation testing asks, was the transformation logic applied correctly or not? Here we validate the mappings, calculations, joins, lookups, and also derived fields. So the idea here is whether the transformation logic mentioned as a mapping document is correct or not. Not just the data movement from A to B. For example, revenue should equal quantity multiplied by price. Currency conversion should use the correct exchange rate. A region code should map to the correct region name. All these are transformations. As a part of the transformation validation, we'll check all these things: computations, currency conversions, region codes to region name, any transformation. So traditionally, how would we validate the transformation? First thing is, we will look at the mapping document, and as per the mapping document, recalculate all the expected outputs for a sample of records independently. It can be through SQL, it can be through Python. Then compare that with the values which are already transformed and loaded in the target. If there is any mismatch in these two, we'll report that as a defect. But the problem here is, as the pipelines become more complex and transformations span multiple stages, a small sample may miss an issue hidden deeper in the logic chain. The challenge grows with the complexity. So, what is our approach here? Whether to automate completely by a rule based automation or take a help of AI completely. Again, our recommendation would be hybrid. Use the rule based automation also, take the help of AI. Rule based automation is excellent when the logic is known. When the logic is known, automation is pretty strong. We can independently implement the formulas and test the code. We can also validate the mappings. We can compare the source and target values after each transformation step, because the expected output is computable. Here, deterministic validation works very well. So, where can AI add value here? AI adds value when something looks wrong, but explicitly looking at that wrong records or wrong values do not explain why is it wrong. In that case, it may detect anomalies. It may connect failure patterns across several transformation stages, or it may narrow down which step in the long pipeline introduce the problem. So definitely AI will do a better job here as compared to the rule-based automation. Again, rules prove the known logic. AI would help in investigating the unexpected behaviors. So, transformation testing helps us verify that the logic applied to the data is correct or not. But what happens when we move data from one system to another? In the next video, we'll look at data migration testing.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.